Today, I will tell you about the installation of Forge software. Generally, there will be a USB stick when you receive it, or I will give you the download link of the software. After you download it, you will usually see this folder. You copy this folder to your own computer desktop. First of all, remember to turn off the antivirus software on your own computer to talk about this software in advance. Ford software and Mazda software and Land Rover, the three of them cannot be installed on the same computer. You can either install it in your virtual machine or it can be installed on your other computer. We're going to install the Ford ID as you can see the sequence of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. The following compressed package is actually just a backup. I compressed it as a backup because someone's computer is antivirus software and he doesn't shut it down. You copy it to your desktop or you plug in a USB stick. His antivirus software will send these patches to you. All of these are deleted for you by default. So the zip file is a backup. Just leave it. The first step is to install the environment first. Installation environment. In fact, just install it step by step in sequence. The CTRL page is closed. Then install the second step. Complete and then install. Step 3, just choose your own language. Choose your own language. Just click next to install by default. The choice here is agreed. this installation time may be a bit long. After it is installed, it will force the computer to restart. Just follow his instructions. You see now, it prompts us to restart the computer. Restart the computer. We restart the computer. Wait for the computer to restart. After the computer restarted, and then we continue with the sequence of numbers, we reinstalled the 4-step facility management. By default, you can install it in the next step. The installation is complete. What about this 5th step? It is mainly a launcher. We can put it, copy it to the desktop. You can change our name according to yourself. Like what? TS132 starts. Generally, we don't use this. This main program is not needed, and this is also rarely used. Mainly used to start with this. We want to right click. The administrator runs. For the first run, we're going to enter the number 1, then enter the car. Let's go back to the car and close it.
Okay.
Well, enter closes and then runs it a second time. Then type 2 again, enter the car again. Then select here VCM3, select this device. And then choose here and here. Let's say for this number, you can just enter 6 or 7 digits at will. Here, choose your own country. It opens like this. Open it and you can use it. To start is to enter twice. You enter one for the first time. Enter after enter, then you enter again to close. Then right click to open it in the administrator. Type 2 again, you enter again. Then select, okay. I went in and then this in the window, you can press enter to close it. Installation is like this. General we mainly use the following this is an update, the firmware of the hardware of your VCI device firmware. Then this is This is what starts the IDS software. Don't open this one above. After you install it, then Mazda's installed on other computers. You can also install it. Just install it in order. This sixth step of Mazda is, well, some ad software prompts you time of use when it expires. You can double click to execute this. This program will extend the use time for you. Now IDs 30 and 32. You don't need this. Just install the previous 4 steps directly. Actually, pay attention here. I have written it all. My game. The first time you type 1, the second time you type 2. That's it.
该音频由 AI 生成。